Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So we all use Instagram and also the Instagram message feature. So whenever you are having a conversation with someone, that can be a recent one or a old Instagram chat. So in that, if you will go for the old one, you will see the date. But what was the exact time when you have sent that message or when you have received that message? So how to check the exact time of that specific message in Instagram? So I will show you in my mobile screen how to check that. So first open your Instagram account and go to message. So here you can select the message you want to check the timing. That can be from your side or from their side. So this video I sent on Tuesday, that was 9:13, and how to check when this thanks was sent. You can see there is no timing, so you just have to press and hold on this, and here you can see Tuesday 10 p.m. You can see the timing. So in this way you can check the timing of a message, either for the one you have sent or for the one you have received. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.